Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy John Ro once again at nagbabalik na naman tayo para sa panibagong episode ng Jam and John. And today, sobrang excited ako sa magiging guest natin para mas ma-excite pa kayo. Babaan na natin siya. Ayun ka. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome! Maya Nanor, everybody!
Hello! Hi,
Are you
guys.
ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready? Are they ready?
I think so.
We're ready. Let's do this! Yo, what's up guys? Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Nagbabalik na naman ang pinaka-pogi at pinaka-cute at pinaka-kulit nyo na host na si John Ro. At ngayon, wala nyo kung sino kasama natin. Maya Nanor! Give it up everybody!
What's up?
Hello, good day. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Gumaganda ka ng gumaganda at pupogi ng pupogi.
Sige,
Ano naman ang masasabi?
Siya kasi ang host.
Ako yung host.
Sorry. Thank you for guesting me here. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you so much for
Yes.
accepting our request. And ready ka na ba na makulitan sa akin today?
Wala akong choice, so
Wala
go.
kang We all know you as the singer-songwriter, and you wrote a lot of songs. My first question is, how did you start making music or dito sa music industry?
Kasi yung family ko talagang musically inclined na sila. Yung mom ko, singer siya from the 70s, like Teen Star, mga love team, ganun, Lala Honor, ganun. And then my dad, pianist naman siya. So I guess nag-merge yung two. And then yung grandma ko naman nagsa-songwriting din siya, pero more of like Christian songs, ganun. So I guess it's somewhat in my blood. So I think nung high school naman, yun naman yung mga emo days ko. So that's when, towards the end ng high school, then ako nag-start mag-join ng mga Battle of the Bands, ganun. Like, these guys invited me. Mistbind pa yung name namin nun. I think it's from a magic card. Yung, nag-play sila ng mga magic cards or something. Merong isang card, Mistbind yung name. Anyway,
ito na yun, pwede
ayun na yun. Yeah, so I was like vocalist tsaka pianist din at the same time. Ayun, so sumasali-sali ako sa mga ganun. Pero nung college, syempre, like nag-fall out na rin kasi iba't iba kaming colleges, so it's hard to maintain it. And then, after college, dun ako sumali sa songwriting contest, yung Himig Handog. Nung 2013 to. So, it's been 5 years since then. Yun. And then, I joined with my song, If You Ever Change Your Mind. Siya, second runner-up siya. And then, since then, na-sign ako sa label, and then yun yung 2 albums, and then yung mga movie soundtracks, ganun.
So basically,
5 years na ako na gano'n. 21 ako nung nag-start sa music industry.
How did you start, or how did you discover songwriting?
Songwriting, I think random na mga like assignments sa school before. Pero yun talagang nagkaroon ako ng confidence ko sa self ko as a songwriter. Yung nagkaroon kami ng graduation song contest before high school ended. So, senior year to. And then, yeah, we all just had to write songs. Tapos parang i-vote ng each class kung anong gusto nilang song. Tapos napili yung sa akin. So, nung graduation day, laging sa school talaga eh. I mean, formative years or something. So, yun, nung graduation, yun yung kinanta namin na song. Moving On naman yung title na sinulat ko. Tapos yung mga influence ko pa nun, mga Jason Mraz, Nora Jones, ganun. Kasi nga dati, tinatry ko bumirit, mga Celine Dion, Britney Spears, pop stars, ganun. Kaya lang hindi talaga, hindi nag-work out. Akala ko nga na, like, hindi ako pwede maging singer because I couldn't sing Celine Dion, Christina Aguilera, stuff like that.
Yun yung misconception kasi dati.
So buti na lang nauso yung mga mas chill singing or like different styles.
Diba yun yung lagi mindset ng mga tao na pag singer ka sa Pilipinas, dapat kailangan mo.
Yeah, kasi yung mga contests naman kasi puro, yun yung like, bibirit ka lang magka-clap na sila.
Oo,
sobrang,
parang,
ikaw yung pinakamagaling.
pag hindi ka mo yung birit, di ka magaling.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n. Speaking of writing, what is your process when it comes to songwriting?
Songwriting. I think everyone would say na different ways yan lumalabas, diba? Like sometimes melody, sometimes lyrics, and then kung saan-saan mo rin maisip. Like, dati ako sa car habang nagdadrive, or yun nga, yung sa shower, yung sa banyo.
Sa banyo talaga ako eh. Hindi sa
Okay, walang kumukontra sa banyo.
Sa banyo eh. Maganda kasi yung reverb eh. Yung nagsusulat ka tapos kakantahin mo yung verse, akala mo naka-record na ka na.
Yeah, true. And then sometimes like kapag tulog ng lahat, like early morning, then ako magsusulat para kasi ang ganda ng feeling na ang quiet ng lahat.
Tapos, minsan pag may napanood ka ng movie or may,
Yun
may nalaman, may nasagap ka na kwento.
Kasi sometimes
parang-
maubusan ka rin ng inspiration from your own experiences. Tapos minsan nanonood ka na ng movie, hindi ka naman nag-iisip ng song. Tapos sobrang na-inspire ka dun sa napad mong scene or... Oh, exactly. Or like may masabi silang magandang line or whatever. Ganun.
Pwede ka bang mag-sample ng isang song mo?
Okay, sure. Ano?
Yung sa Hinigandog. Yung sa
Himigandog.
Hinigandog.
Okay. But if you ever change your mind, don't you dare come back to me crying that I want you back again. 'Cause though what we had was more than fine, I needed someone who would love me more than he loved himself.
Yung paano ginagawa? Yung parang voice crack.
Yung yodel.
Yodel! Hindi ko na gusto, yung parang gusto ko
I think kay kay Jason Mraz ko nakuha or kay Nora Jones, nakakakinig sa kanila.
Hindi kaya, di bagay. Di bagay sa akin. What year was it released?
2013.
2013. I was...
So that's really the song that I started with sa industry was that song.
Sino ba ang mga nasulatan mo na artist or mga bands sa industry?
Marami na rin. I think sa previous label ko sila, nag-start ako with Catherine Bernardo, Alex Gonzaga, Eric Santos, Jonalyn Viray, sila Kyla, sila Inigo Pascual din. And then, mga co-write naman yung iba with Sir Jonathan Manalo. And
Sir
then,
Jonathan.
ngayon recently sa Viva Records, si Sian Lim. And then dati din pala si Lila Alcacid. And then, sino pa nga ba? Ngayon meron akong mga upcoming songs na lalabas na naman sila Jaya, si Sharon, and si Juris.
Ako naman, si John, tsaka si Roa.
Ay, kilala
si
ko
John,
yun. Ay, kilala
si
ko rin
Roa
yun.
John.
Ah.
Medyo madami-dami na rin sila eh.
Galing.
Ang dami, no? Dami ng te. Yun din ang ako like...
Mga idol ko yun sila lang.
Ako din naman.
Parang Justin Bieber nga ng Philippines.
Ano yung challenges mo when it comes to songwriting?
I guess kung yung babagay sa kanila na song. Kasi baka mamaya, okay nga siya kung ako yung magsising, tapos sa kanila naman, iba naman pala yung style nila, yung genre nila. So, you really have to like immerse yourself sa nila, yung sound nila. So, ginagawa ko like, for example, sulatan ko si Sian, so I'm gonna listen to all of his tracks, see kung ano ba yung voice niya, ano ba yung usual niya ginagawa, or something. And then, lalagyan ko din ng own spin ko. Kasi syempre, like, if they ask you to write a song, they want your sound. Tapos, yun yung... Instead of something that they can already get from other writers. So, kailangan mo ma-find yung balance with your own writing plus yung bagay sa kanila.
Sa naman, sa self mo naman, ano naman yung
Sa self
challenges
ko?
as a songwriter? Sa mga
Ngayon
songs mo?
yung recent challenge ko kasi sanay talaga ako
din ako eh.
English.
Ah.
Ever since. So, yung lumipat ako sa Viva Records, tsaka lang ako na-challenge kay Boss Vic kasi sabi niya, eventually, kailangan mo din magsulat ng Tagalog. So, ginawa ko, first song pa lang, tinagalog ko na. Yung sa pambansang third wheel na movie to nila, Yasi and Samuel B. Pinusulat niya ako na, tapos ginawa na lang theme song, Ikaw Pa Rin Ang Pipiliin Ko, yung title. So, that's my like first Tagalog track na sinulat. And then after nasundan na nga nung Akala, viral na yung song yung sa Akala sa Spotify, nagta-top 50 na siya. And then, nakita ko dun sa list ko ng songs na mga sulat ko na rin dati. Tapos yung Akala pala yung very first ko nakasama sa Spotify 50 and viral 50. Gano'n. So I was like, so, yung challenge na yun na na-overcome ko yung pagsusulat ng Tagalog, meron palang mas maganda pang bunga. So, I'm very grateful that I tackled that challenge. And na yung Viva, tinulungan ako na i-open up yung part ng self ko na kaya pala magsulat ng ganung song. Yun, na-try ko pa i-Google Translate, parang paano ba sabihin ito. Tapos ang ganda niya sa English, pagdating sa Tagalog, biglang, ay, hindi pala masyado maganda yung Yung ang hirap.
Hanapan ng ibang...
Way of saying it or something. Pero ang ganda din pala ng Filipino songs kasi iba yung kirot niya talaga. Yun lang. So I can't even, like right now, I'm trying to go back to English, which was yung comfortable sa akin dati. Tapos ngayon parang nahihirapan na mag-switch back na parang mas nafe-feel ko yung sakit pag tinatagalog ko. So parang ang weird.
Other than songwriting, other than making music, ano ang ibang pinagkakaabalahan ng isang Marion Honor?
Me? I don't know, nothing. Netflix. and chilling by myself. Nag-aaral, and then
Nag-Netflix,
nag-Netflix,
pag-free
and then yung music thing, and then hanging out with my dog, and my cockatoo. Wait, what?
May?
Cockatoo.
What's
It's a white parrot.
Ay, nagsasalita.
Nagsasalita siya. Name niya Gaga. Yung mom ko yung nagpangalan.
Oh.
Lady Gaga, pero Gaga lang, for short.
Parang ang daming nagkakaparot sa bahay, no? Parang gusto ko rin naman. Parang pagpasok mo ng bahay,
Masaya siya.
Mama! What can we expect from Marian
Me?
Honor? This year and next year? and
Hopefully,
following years?
hopefully more songs and more music videos and maybe releasing an EP.
And collab with John Roa?
I'll think about it.
Ay,
Like with the right fee.
I'll ask them also.
Yeah.
if
I'll get my people to talk to your people.
I don't My people.
Hindi, pero ang cool nun kung natuloy yun. I really hope na matuloy siya.
Oh! Dahil dyan, meron ako naisip. Meron kaming gagawin na challenge na 10-minute songwriting challenge. Sana magawa natin.
Okay, since songwriters tayo pareho, parang...
Hilig tayo sa
and
makirot.
mga makirot, mga hugot songs. Plus, we're both writers, so baka pwedeng like, kung nga hindi tayo maka-move on or something. So, para maka-move on tayo sa bad experience or sa heartbreak na yun, idadaan na lang natin sa song or isusulat na lang natin yung mga heartbreak natin. Pwede?
Idadaan na lang sa sulat. Ano nga?
Forgot how the verse goes. Paano ba mabubura? Paano ka ba Paano ka ba? Okay. Mabubura. Or saan mo siya nakikita pa rin sa pagising sa umaga?
Sa tabi mo. Parang gano'n.
Pero wala na pala siya doon.
Hindi ko magawa. Parang parang kasi sa akin
Okay,
nakatatak.
sa akin.
Sa akin naka...
Pa rin ang alaala mo.
Pilit ko na.
Ipilit ko man.
Hindi ko magawa. Kumain ng konti lang.
Chorus na lang.
Sa'yo yung sa akin yung first line, tapos sa akin. Or pwede naman sa'yo.
Paano ko ba mabubura sa isipang iyong mga mata? Nakikita ko pa rin sa pagising sa umaga. Hindi ko kayang tanggapin na iba na may hawak sa iyong mga kamay. Dati-rati ay akin. Pilitin ko man kalimutan ang lahat. Hindi ko magawa, pagkat sa akin nakatatak pa rin ang alaala mo. Mga pangako mo, hindi ko man masabi ay idadaan na lang sa witing to. Idadaan na lang sa witing to.
Yo, what's up guys? We're back again. And kung naalala nyo nung nakarang episode natin, nag-guitar tutorial tayo.
Tutorial.
Tutorial.
Yes.
Nag-guitar tutorial tayo. Kaya naman meron kaming device dito na tinatawag naming
Looper.
paulit-ulitan.
AKA the looper.
Ulit-ulitan. Tama yun.
Sige.
The looper.
Sabi
And,
niya.
The looper is a big world. Can you explain to them what...
So basically, Well, yung pinaka-basic na function niya would be to loop or record over what you, like a track. So, pwede siyang multiple na tracks recorded over, so.
Hello, 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 hello. Aside from that, meron siyang ibang mga features like this one I'm using over here is female to male. So if you're a female like me who wants to sound like a male like John Roa, this is what you use. Hello. And then you can use other features like double down if you want to sound like a little monsterish or whatever, ganun.
Meron loop, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. So, yung nagpiping pong, yung.
And then meron
And then, auto-tune radio. Auto-tune radio. Ikaw magaling sa ganyan, gawin mo nga. Yeah!
Ish. That's Mandan Rock, Rabba,
Gorgeous Hall, if you want to feel like you're in a gorgeous hall. Yes. And then Pop Trio. I use this for like yung mga I Love You Always Forever.
Feels like I'm standing in a timeless trance of a light mist with pale amber rose.
Yung mga ganun na moments sa performance. Or megaphone. And that's all for today, guys. Then marami pa siyang mga features, but that's some of my favorites. Sample!
Sorry, sabi ko ako. I'm not so hyper. Sample.
Boom. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-da-da-ba-da-da-boom. 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 Phone starts ringing, don't even need to look, I know who I'll be seeing. And my heart skips a beat, don't know why, but my heart skips a beat, yeah. You say that you miss me, you say you can't go on living without me. You say so many things, but when will you ever mean anything, baby? Caught between this dilemma now, I know what I should do, cause you my darling, I beg, but I wanna be bad, I wanna be bad with you, baby. For tonight, I don't care if you're bad, cause I wanna be bad, I don't care if you're bad for me, baby. For tonight, I don't care, let's be bad.
So something like that.
Lama. Tigil na ako, pagiging singer eh. Boss! So, yun po guys. Yun po ang looper and sinample na ni Marion Honor
Yep.
how to do a looper. If you want to try it out, just look it up. YouTube, Google, lahat. Sobrang sarap niya aralin and I want to learn more about this.
Go! Yeah, it's
This-
super fun.
Yeah, it's super fun. You can make fun with your voice. Once again guys, this is the looper and this is Marion Honor.
Bye!
ano ba ang mga gusto mo pa na ma-achieve or ma-discover?
Well, I wanna keep writing for myself and for other artists din, yung mga big artists talaga, masulatan ganun. And then, sana syempre magka-shows na mga huge, mga Kia Theater, Araneta, mga ganun, and touring it around the world kahit sa mga Filipino communities in other countries or something. And then, of course, I also wanna delve into movies if I can actually do the acting part of it.
You're doing acting workshop right now.
Yeah, I'm doing acting workshop right now, so we'll see if I have a future in acting too.
Like other artists then who are dreaming of having their own songs. Message mo sa kanila.
Well, if you're going to choose this career for yourself, you have to be really dedicated and passionate and patient. Kasi
And consistent.
inconsistent, lahat na ng mga adjectives or mga ganun. Be very resilient. Ayun, go lang ng go, and you have to para mag-commit ka talaga, because it comes with a lot of heartache, even if yung merong mga achievements na ganyan. It can be fleeting. It's not all like parang glamorous and all of that. It really comes with a lot of hard work. So if you're gonna go for it, ayun, kailangan maging ready ka sa mga sacrifices na ganun. But yung payoff naman, sobrang ganda.
Be courageous.
Okay na.
Alright guys, we are down to the last part of this episode. Again, maraming salamat for sticking with us. And of course, maraming salamat, Mario Honor,
Thank
for
you so
joining
much.
me.
Thank you for
And
having me.
Our kajammers. And because this episode is so fun and so special, and they both know us as the Hugoters.
The Hugoters.
Or
Yun na ba
people-
band name natin? The Hugoters.
The Hugoters.
Duo
Pwede
na
nga.
tayo.
And we both have songs that are hugot. Of course, her song Akala. And my song Ox Lang.
Yeah.
Basically, my song Ox Lang is about letting someone go because parang hindi na
Ox.
eh.
Pero Ox lang sa'yo.
Ang akala, ano ba yung...
Akala mo siya nang binigay, pero hindi pala. But then, in the end, parang if they need to go, then
Ganun.
Ox lang din ako.
Kung akala mo siya na yung binigay,
Yeah.
pero hindi pala. Pero ganun talaga eh. So, kailangan mo maging okay. Ganun. Eh, pinapatawa lang namin yun kasi yung song na to medyo dalawang nag-combine eh.
Yup.
Dalawang mahapdi eh. The song is a mashup of Akala and Ox Lang. Hope you guys like this.
Di ko napansin na lumalayo ka na sa akin. Wala akong kamalay-malay. Bigla mong binanggit na kailangan mo munang umalis. Dahil gulong-gulo sa buhay.
Nagbago na lahat sa'yo. Nagbago na lahat, pitiin tayo. Nagbago ng iyong tingin, ang iyong ngiti, ang iyong nararamdaman. Akala ko ikaw nang binigay. Akala ko ikaw na. Akala ko ikaw na. Akala ko hindi nasasablay. Akala ko ikaw na. Akala ko ikaw na. Saan na to patungo? Di ko na kasi alam. Hinahanap ang sagot sa bakit. Hindi ko na kasi alam.
ka na kinikilig. Hindi ka na natutuwa pag may pasalubong ako na isa. At dahang nawalan ng kulay ang aking mundo. At kay bilis naglaho ng mga pangakong nanggaling sa'yo, na habang buhay ikaw at ako yakapin mo ako. Kahit hindi na totoo, maiintindihan naman kita kung sawa ka na, kung saan ka sasaya. Huwag kang mag-alala. Kung gustong okay lang ako, huwag kang mag-alala. Kung gustong okay lang ako, kakayanin mag-isa. Kung gustong okay lang ako, basta hiling ka, huwag akong masaya. Kung gustong okay lang ako, dito lang ako. Akala ko ikaw na, akala ko ikaw na, akala ko hindi nasasabay. Akala ko ikaw na, akala ko ikaw na, akala ko ikaw na, akala ko okay lang ako.
Alright guys, that's it for today. Once again, Marion Honor, everybody. Palagpakan naman natin si Marion Honor, guys. Ate?
Thanks, guys. Thank you so
Where can we
much.
find you?
You can find me on Twitter and Instagram at Marion Honor, and meron din ako Facebook page, facebook.com/Marion Honor Official, and you can check out my website too, marionhonor.com.
Once again, this is John Rowan, this is Marion Honor, and this is Jam with John! Akala kasi nila lagi ako.
Lagi kang
Bagay ako
huhugas. Lagi kang huhugas.
Okay.
Game. Game naman ngayon.
Alright.